In this episode, a speedy Chipotle lime chicken taco cups recipe proves weeknight meals can shine in under 15 minutes. Shredded pre-cooked chicken is tossed with chipotle lime and cumin, then scooped into halved mini tortillas in a muffin tin. They bake for 8 to 10 minutes until the tortilla is crisp and the filling stays juicy. For a fast topping hack, mix pico de gallo in advance and keep it ready for instant finishing. A squeeze of lime and a cilantro dust finish the cups with bright flavor and cafe-worthy texture.